Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. I'm here to explain the working of catch weight manufacturing module. In industries like food processing, meat, seafood, and dairy, products are counted in one unit, but it must also be tracked by actual weight because the weight varies per batch. In standard Odoo manufacturing module, it only tracks one unit, leaving weight completely unrecorded. Our module fills this gap by adding a secondary catch weight quantity across bills of material, manufacturing orders, and unbilled orders, keeping both units automatically in sync throughout the production process. So let's see the working. First of all, I'll create a new product. So here you can see the catch weight product. I'll enable that so that we will get the weight of the product also. So here you can see two new fields have been added, CWUOM and catch weight. Here first we will set the catch weight unit of measure. And catch weight means it is the average weight of one unit. So let this be 1. I'll set it as 0.5 then. Let's see 0.5. Okay, I'll save this. Next, let's go to let's make the bill of material. So I'll type butter carton, and here you can see the CW catch weight quantity is 0.5, and I'll set the quantity as 20, and I'll add a component. So for butter carton we'll add fresh cream as the component, and here you can see fresh cream 1 quantity, and here CW quantity of fresh cream is 1 kg. So I'll save this. Now let's go to manufacturing orders and create a new manufacturing order for this product. So butter carton. So here you can see 20 quantities, and here you can see the weight as 10 kg since I have set the average quantity as 0.5, and here you can see the fresh cream also, and I'll confirm this. So I'll produce all. Now you can see butter carton has been produced 20 quantities. Now here you can see the CW quantity over here, and I'll go to unbilled. Here if I want to unbill the product, I'll type 10. Since I have created 20 quantities, I want to unbill 10 quantities suppose. So I'm going to unbuild it, and in the case of unbilled also you can see in the smart button here you can see 10 quantities unbilled, and here it is mentioned 5 kgs. So 5 kgs has been unbilled. And one more thing, in the product moves also we can see the fresh cream 0.5 has been unbilled, and butter carton 10 quantities here, and 5 kgs has been unbilled. So this is the working of our catch weight manufacturing module. So it will record the weight of the product as well. So that's it. Thank you.